In the next minute and a half, I am going to answer as many of the crazy and not so crazy questions that I have received about Jamaican citizenship. But the question is always the same. Am I still a Jamaican citizen? If you ever were, you still are. You lose your Jamaican passport, you're still a Jamaican citizen. You lost your citizenship certificate, you're still a Jamaican citizen. You became a U.S. citizen many years ago, you're still a Jamaican citizen. And you can always get back your Jamaican passport. It doesn't matter if you've lost it from Wapikil Phillip. Your kids who were born in the U.S. have a claim to Jamaican citizenship, but they will not just get the passport automatically. You have to apply for the citizenship and then apply for the passport. You don't lose your citizenship, but you may give it up. But to give it up, you have to apply. You have to pay a fee and you have to fill a form and you have to have proof that you have been granted citizenship elsewhere. So there are requirements to give it up. Once a Jamaican, always a Jamaican. Just because you became a U.S. citizen does not mean you gave it up. Some persons have said that the U.S. government took their passports when they became a U.S. citizen. Taking your passport does not mean you're not a Jamaican. And yes, many persons have had their passports taken. This was many years ago now. Jamaica will always recognize you as a Jamaican citizen as long as you ever were. It doesn't matter which country you pledge allegiance to, and it doesn't matter how many years ago you left Jamaica. I am Gail of 876 Documents. I am here to answer your questions and assist you with the application process. I thank you for watching.